Well, good day everybody. Welcome to another SydSquad video, and we're going to add some commentary in today, but let's get straight into it. The Air India 787-8 off to New Delhi. Air India were the first carrier to bring the Boeing 787 Dreamliner to Sydney and Australia. Just like that below, folks. If you enjoy our videos, make sure you do go ahead and give that like button a good click. Qantas A330 just getting underway as well, off 3-4 left, wearing the new 2017 livery. The livery was designed specifically for the 787 deliveries to Qantas. Superb day out there today. Next one to go, our Thai Airways 777-300ER heading back to Bangkok. Thai 476 is the flight number. Thai Airways have served lots of different aircraft types to Sydney over the years, through 747, 777s, to even the occasional A350s. If you want to look back a little further, you could even go as far as the A340-600s and the occasional 500s as well. Garuda A330-300 heading back to Denpasar. Probably full of Australian tourists, no doubt. Garuda have been sending A330s for a long time to Sydney.
Indonesia 715, contact departures, connect. Indonesia 715.
Delta getting underway now as well, heading back to Los Angeles, long 12-13 hour flight across the Pacific. The former aircraft to operate this service was the Boeing 777-200 LR. Those aircraft have since been retired. Another common visitor to Sydney. Not so much these days with the restrictions in Hong Kong. So Cathay have been very kind to us down here in Sydney, sending a wide array of aircraft types over the years. From 747-400s, A330s, A340s, the 777s and A350s, what we see today. Cathay 162 back to Hong Kong.
1,500 for the time being, but I may have to move you on short notice.
Another 777 operator, and our last operator of the 777-200 LR type to Sydney. Air Canada heading back to Vancouver. Air Canada also have been sending a wide variety over the last year or so, from the 777-200 LRs, the 300 ERs, and the 787-9. Before the 777 era, they used to operate the A340 and the 767. Another Qantas A330-300 departed. Qantas used the A330s on much of the network. It's predominantly internationally off to Asia, such as places like Jakarta, Manila, Tokyo, Singapore and Bangkok. They fly them also to New Zealand, Honolulu and India, amongst other domestic destinations in Australia.
604, the wind is 300 degrees, 14 knots, runway 34 left, clear for landing.
Vietnam getting ready to go as well. Back to Ho Chi Minh City. The A350-900. Vietnam Airlines over the years have been a predominantly Boeing aircraft type. The 777-200s, 787s. But great to see these A350s here in Sydney. And a very majestic paint scheme as well to match. Sublime weather, if I don't say so. Another very, very frequent visitor to here in Sydney. United Airlines operating the 777-300 ERs between here and San Francisco. Definitely one of the better sounding aircraft of 2022. United operating 2 daily flights, the one we see on screen now, and a Dreamliner service to Los Angeles. Next one to go, the Qantas 787-9 Dreamliner. She'll be making a very long flight over to South Africa, down to Johannesburg, Qantas Flight 63. This service formerly operated by 747-400s. As with most of the Qantas international destinations. Another aircraft type to be serving Sydney for a long period of time, the Philippines A330-300 series. Philippines have used different aircraft types such as the 747-400, the A340-300, the 777-300ER, the A350-900, more currently the A330-300 and the A321neo as well, flying between here and Manila. Another airline operating multiple services to Sydney every single day, Singapore Airlines. As of the video date, Singapore Airlines operating the A350-900, which is on screen, the Boeing 777-300ER, and the A380. In the past, I've operated obviously the 747-400, the A330-300 as well, the 787-10 for a short period of time during COVID. Nice crosswind landing there on runway 34 right by the Fiji Airways A350-900. Sydney's shortest runway there. Look, folks, this is a bit of an experiment with the commentary overlaying the video, the pre-recorded videos. So make sure you let me know what you think. If you'd like to see some more of it, just let us know in the comments. And, we do read every single comment on our videos. And, we do really appreciate your time. Particularly if you've viewed as far as this point. That is absolutely too kind. See that wind there just kicking the aircraft around. The LATAM 787-9 operating between Sydney and Santiago with a stop in Auckland, New Zealand. Qantas A330-300. Qantas flight 81, heading off to Singapore. Wearing the old livery. This livery designed for the Airbus A380 deliveries. A380s still all yet to be returned, with 2 being scrapped. Another airline that has been serving Sydney for quite some time now, Asia X out of Kuala Lumpur and up there in Malaysia. It's only recently just resumed passenger services here in Sydney. Always a real eye catcher in the sky. Just a couple more departures to go for the video today, folks. We do appreciate your time in viewing our videos. So here's one of the fan favourites here, the Qantas Freight 767-300, heading off to Hong Kong. Just one of 2 current Australian registered 767s in service, the other one being the Tasman Cargo DHL 767-300. Another nice departure there from A340 right, some superb views from the car park there. Folks, we do appreciate your viewership today. Leave us a like, leave us a comment down below if you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, make sure you do subscribe to SydSquad with the notification bells turned on so you don't miss a live stream. And we'll catch you on the next one.